What's up, Mananap? Nandito kami sa Manila. And I can't speak Tagalog. So I'm here with Chana.
Hi!
So we're on our way to Manila and everyone's wearing masks because we're all sick.
We're going to Italy.
Italy we just arrived in Manila and we are first stop is we're eating at our house. So this is Emil and he's the one that's been here before. Intramuros is home to different Spanish era landmarks. You can see it around the city with its architecture. Dito po kayo! What's up, guys?
Hi!
So the reason we're all here is for this architectural festival that happens once a year. Guys? The fuck? That's Jam. That's Roxanne. And Shannon.
Yes.
That's all my friends. Right now it's raining. Really hard. I don't know what we're gonna do. So we just wrapped day one of Anthology. And I couldn't film as much because it was raining really hard and it was really swamp.
We're still gonna go party.
We're here at the National Museum just checking out some art while it's still raining. And we're gonna get back to Anthology in a bit. So it's day 2 of Anthology and I ran into these guys. I like how it's How was it so far?
Very inspiring. Architects.
I can feel your energy. So it's day 3 and we're very tired. We didn't decide to go to Jet's even sleeping right now. We decided not to go to Anthology because we went out pretty late last night. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks so much for watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.